So here we are at one of our clients' sites, and they tasked us with redoing their front yard. Behind me was a patchwork of poorly performing turf grass, some overgrown shrubs that were planted way too close to the foundation, and in general, a somewhat dilapidated and disused space. Now, the conditions behind me are full sun, somewhat poor soil, and a 45-degree slope. All of those make for horrible conditions to try to grow any sort of traditional lawn, but are perfect for what we call the Suburban Meadow. Suburban Meadow here is a combination of native grasses and wildflowers designed to create complementary texture, color, and ecological function for a space. So for this garden, we have over 6 different species of native grasses, along with 22 different species of native wildflowers, all in combination together to create a very naturalized but still designed look.